channel. These past few days, I haven't been uploading, and I'll tell you the reasons why right now. So, we have a lot of family come over these past few weeks, and I've been feeling sick, and just a lot of stuff been happening since, those weeks, so that's why we haven't been uploading. So yeah guys, as I said, we had a lot of visitors. First, number one was my Uncle Raymond and his 2 kids. We had a lot of fun, and yeah, let me enter some few clips.
The next one, Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, look at this,
Oh, that's so
They are
cool.
so my tooth fell out.
What?
And yeah guys, they were here for a whole week. We had so much fun. We got in the pool, a bunch of stuff like that. And so yeah, they left. But 3 days later, more company, guys. This time, it was my mom's side of the family, which was her brother and his girlfriend, and my mom's sister, which she's married. She has 3 kids, which are my cousins, of course. And I'll insert some few clips. Happy 4th of July, everyone! I don't pop these, of course. My dad and my brother does it.
The parents out there, make sure if you don't have a fire extinguisher, always have a bucket of water, and I recommend you guys use these type of lighters to light up your fireworks. But have fun.
Shani, what are we playing over here?
We're playing Color Pick a Pocket. Look, this is our rock.
Because one's missing.
Yeah. They were here for a week, and they actually came from California to Las Vegas to celebrate the 4th of July with us. And so yeah guys, it was a lot of fun. And I know guys, that is a lot of company, like 2 weeks of company. But guys, there is more company. Once they left 2 days later, my grandma and my aunt came. Yeah guys, my dad's mom and his little sister, my aunt, she's actually almost the same age as my brother. And yeah, that's my dad's little sister. We had a blast hanging out with her. But yeah guys, that week I don't think I vlogged anything, but cause I was sick, but we did go bowling, and I'll insert a picture. Yeah guys, I was feeling sick. I think it started when my mom's sister and her side of the family came. Yeah, that's when I kind of started feeling sick. And so we went to the emergency room, and it was just a virus. They gave me medicine, and now I feel much better, which leads to this day. And now, we came to Best Buy to buy a... We're coming to Toys R Us. And guess what I came to buy, guys? Robots, and these are them.
Oh yeah, that's them.
Okay guys, we went to Toys R Us as you saw, and to get this Go Sumos. It's a toy that Roman Atwood made. Pretty cool. You could like make these things come to life. I got a robot, the robots one. There's like a sea creatures one, and there's the characters themselves. And yeah, there's a lot of different ones. Alright guys, this is it for the video. Hope you enjoy. This video I just kind of gave you guys an update on the family, since we have a lot of visitors. And I got this stickers, Go Sumos. Go get them guys. They're only $9.99. Pretty cool guys. And you can find them only at Toys R Us. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye!